Hello and welcome to this installment of the Builderall training series. In the last video, we went over how to create your product in Super Checkout. In this video, we're going to be going over the funnel design for our products. Inside of Builderall's virtual office, there is the Builderall Canvas. This is our drag and drop funnel builder to be able to visualize how our customer's journey is going to take place for our product. You're going to see a lot of these funnels, and some of them seem very complicated. You don't need to have a complicated funnel for your product. We're going to use an example of the Product Launch Plus, and we're going to do it for a course. This funnel walks you through the step-by-step flow of how this launch will go. I have to zoom all the way out to see everything. It starts with a reverse squeeze page, a fill-out form, confirmation email, pages 1, 2, 3, and the offer page for the product, the checkout, the one-time offer, a second checkout, a thank you page, and a downsell checkout page that then goes back to the thank you page. The more convoluted, the bigger this funnel gets, the harder it is for your customer to make a decision. We are focused so heavily on how to outsmart the customer, that's not the right thing to do. I have a different approach to funnels. When I create a funnel, I make it as simple as possible. Our funnel is really simple. They go to our landing page, which is our sales page. If they like what they see, they go to checkout. If they finish checkout, they're directed to our one-time offer page. If they like the offer, they go to the next checkout page. And if they say no thank you, they go to the thank you page. The second checkout then redirects to the thank you page. A 5-page funnel. In contrast to the one I showed previously that has 13 pages and 2 checkouts with a downsell checkout. Only 2 opportunities for a real sale. In ours, there's 2 opportunities for a sale. Sure, the other course one might be effective for a high ticket item where you're spending maybe $1,000, but you still don't want to overwhelm your customer with the product in the email sequence. So they have 4 different product pages, and it might just be a staggered launch with an email sequence that shows you this is what to expect on page 1, page 2, page 3, and then finally launch days here, let's go. But no, ours is simple. It's available, you go right through the flow, and you go to your checkout page. And for our checkout page, it's going to be tied to a thank you page, but there's going to be no download links. We're going to make everything automated through the use of webhooks. These webhooks will send out an email after the checkout completes with the download for the ebook and for the videos. So that's what we'll be doing in our next video. All the pages you see here I have already created. All I did was copy and paste the information that was provided by our IDPLR product. Do the same thing and make sure in the checkout we create this one-time offer as a product just like we did in the previous video. In the next video, we will be using a program called Zapier. This creates the webhooks which will send the automated emails for our checkout flow. That's all for this video. If any of this information was useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.